Hey guys, welcome back to DeFi Passive Income. So today we are taking a look over another BNB miner and it is called BombBNB. So right off the bat you can see there are three buttons over here. Generally in these type of miners there are only two buttons, which is the compound button and the claim button. But in this contract there is a third button called boost bombs. We will come to this in a minute and check out what it does. So currently the contract holds 1566 BNBs and their daily return is 8% with an APR of 2920, and the fees they are charging is 2%, which is really low. So what happens in these types of BNB miners is that you come over here, you commit your BNB. Suppose if you want to deposit 1 BNB, then you will click on buy bombs. This will convert your 1 BNB into bombs, which means this 1 BNB is our sunk cost and you cannot withdraw it as it is. The only way you can get this back is through the daily rewards. Now after getting the bombs, these bombs will generate BNB for you per day. So the higher number of bombs that you have, the more BNB they will generate for you per day. Now these BNB miners works on a strategy called 6:1 strategy, in which you compound 6 days a week and take your rewards on the 7th day. So suppose you are committing your 1 BNB on Monday. On Tuesday you will come at the same time and you will click on the reinvest bomb button, which is basically the compound button. And you will keep doing this until Saturday. But on Sunday you will come at the same time and you will click on the blast bombs buttons, which is the claim button. And it will transfer all the rewards that are generated for Sunday into your MetaMask wallet or any other wallet that you use. Now here are some key differences. They have compared themselves to the baked beans, which is the OG miner, the first one. So ROI is the same, 8%. Referral commission is 2% higher than the baked beans. Both have 6:1 strategy. And there is AntiVeil system in BombBNB. There is a boost system, rug insurance and contract balance protection. And coming over to their tokenomics, total fees is 2%, 0.5 goes to developer and 1.5 for marketing. So they say rewards can be rebombed daily and withdrawn every 6th day due to 6:1 strategy implemented in the smart contract, which will benefit all investors to get maximum rewards of up to 8%. Now this 8% is not really constant. You will get around 5 to 8% per day and it fluctuates and it depends on various factors like total value logged and the price of BNB and the time that you are claiming. So this is something different that they are offering in their contract. It is AntiVeil status. So they say do not turn off the AntiVeil status. By doing so, you will be charged 40% withdrawal fee, which will directly go to the rug insurance fund. And if it is on, the 2% normal withdrawal fee will be charged. So this is a really good mechanism preventing whales from draining the total value logged. Now going over to their white paper. So boost bombs. In almost every project, the early investors get all the benefit and leaving a lot of investors left out from the yield. So BombBNB came out with the idea of boost bombs. The idea is to give equal chance to our investors who came late into the launch. They can click on boost bombs and will get extra bombs which will increase the daily profit. Okay, so this feature once activated will cost investor 1.5 BNB and will reward 5 additional bombs. Okay, so basically they are saying that if you are entering early in the contract, then you are good to go because early investors generally get higher yield per day. But if you came after a day or two, maybe even after weeks, so you will get less bombs per BNB. So in order to equalize this, they are giving an option of boost bombs. Now this option will cost you 1.5 BNB and after activating it, you can somewhat level out your bombs to those of early investors and they will also reward you extra 5 bombs. So I will leave all the links down in the description box below. Please go through them yourself and try to read as much as you can and do your own research. So this is the BombBNB miner. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. And that's it for today's video. And if you liked the content, then please do hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more future videos like this.